Out of all the days in the year that we have, today is one of the most important. The day we have put aside to appreciate someone who has gone above and beyond to love us out of Almighty Clare, lead us to our Savior, embrace us with unconditional love, guide us with her steady hand. A mother will do all she can for her children to ensure their well-being and nourishment, furnishing them with the absolute best that there is. Notwithstanding the patience and endurance she exercises to gently usher us where we belong, constantly standing with us, being our sure support and help, multitudes have received right from the palms of her hands, with her outstretched heart with room enough for us all. And yet each of us gets their space, time, and focused attention. How you do it, Mom, we don't know. All we know is, from amongst all the gifts that God has given to us that have changed our lives, you are the best of them all. Happy Mother's Day, Prophetess Ruth Makandiwa.